for the money, two for the show. You get ready now, go, go, but don't you double my blue suede shoes. You can do anything but lay all of my blue suede shoes. Well, blue on a blue suede shoe, blue on a blue suede shoe.
Hey there, Mama. It's Greg. I'm with Elevate Roofing and Exteriors here in Raleigh, North Carolina. Thank you. Maybe 10 years ago now, Jonathan reached out to me and said it just was happenstance. We were talking together and he said, man, I really wish I had someone with your knowledge of construction industry and roofing to come work for me. And he said he thought I would be a great salesman. And I laughed at him. But then I tried it and it worked. And he was right, it was natural for me. And my dad tried it too, it wasn't for him, but for me, it changed my life completely. And 10 years down the road, here I am, sitting at my own branch, my own store here. And we've got a team of people here, we're like 6, 7 strong, and we're doing business every day. Coming to work, I've got smiling faces in the office. Everybody seems to be happy, and the energies are good, and it's a great place to work. The reason that I feel so strongly about working for Elevate and have continued to stay here so long is the way that not only the company, but the people in the company treat their own employees and also our customers. And everybody's human, and they treat us like people, not just a number. And it's a great place to be, and the opportunities, he sinks more into us and into the company than the CEO actually takes for himself. And I've seen it from when we only had a few people to when we had 7 locations. And it hasn't changed, just the vision has grown. So here at Elevate Roofing and Exteriors, Raleigh, North Carolina, it's our family protecting yours. And we listen to you and what you need. If you have a need on your roof or your exteriors, we're the company you should call. You may not call us first, but we'll be your last call. If you're in Raleigh, all the way to Durham, all the way to Rocky Mount, all the way to Lake Gaston north of us, and we're right here in Wendell, all the way in Garner, almost to Fayetteville, we'll take care of you. There's been 2 customers in the past 2 weeks that were ready to pay for the roofs themselves. One of them didn't know he could file a claim on his roof and get any help. The other one had already filed a claim and got turned down. So we went to those customers, and the one who had already saved up his money was able to remodel the interior of his home because we helped him get the funds for his roof. The one that we finished today and we're still working on today and we'll be done by 5 o'clock. He had got turned down, and one of our inspectors went out there just to give a second opinion on a price. He said, hey, did you get turned down? He said, yeah, we did. He said, I don't understand why. Let's go back, and we helped them get the funds. Did we save them any money?
Yes, we saved them $20,000.
$20,000. So those 2 customers are very excited to do business with us, and that's why you should do business with us as well. We'll help you, and we'll be honest about it. I never thought, years down the road I could afford to just see something that made me happy, like this motorcycle. This is Jolene. Meet Jolene, everybody. Jolene is a 2013 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. I love it. And I was able to go pay cash for it because I hustled, and they gave me the opportunities to make the money I make here. It's not, I don't stamp a time card and make, 20 bucks an hour, 40 hours a week. I can make as much money as I want if I hustle. And that's what we do. You can ask other guys that sell for the company and been doing it several years. If you get out there and hustle, you'll be able to get what you want too. And this is what I wanted, and I waited until I could afford to pay for it in cash. I actually paid off the other guy's loan. He was a doctor. I knew this was something I wanted to do, and it was good for me and worked for me. And I've seen it work for other guys. And people that come here just seem to stay.
For the money, for the show, you get ready now, get over, don't you? Double my blue suede shoes. You can do anything but lay